Lilaeopsis brasiliensis is a small creeping marsh plant that can be found growing on the banks of slow-growing rivers, marshes and ponds. It can be found in the wild in southeastern Brazil, Paraguay and Buenos Aires in Argentina. Occasionally it is incorrectly labelled as Lilaeopsis novae zelandii. Lilaeopsis brasiliensis is an easy category plant available from Tropica in 1-2 grow cups, regular pots and self-service pots. It is a slow-growing species that doesn't require strong light or CO2 injection to thrive, but these will promote the most robust growth. It is characterised with short and narrow sword-like leaves, giving it its common name microsword. It produces runners and will eventually form an attractive bright green lawn. It is one of a few aquarium plants that will tolerate cooler water, making it ideal for ponds, and is also known to tolerate brackish water with a low salt concentration. Peel off the lid from the 1-2 grow cup. Carefully remove the entire plant from the cup. Place the plant into a bowl of water and wash off the growth media. Divide the pot into as many portions as necessary. Plant into your substrate with aquascaping tweezers. Remove the plant from the pot, then split apart the two halves of rock wool. Remove as much of the rock wool as possible. Split the plant into several portions. Plant into your substrate with aquascaping tweezers. Lilaeopsis brasiliensis makes a great foreground carpeting plant for all size aquariums. It should be ideally placed in open areas without excessive shading from nearby plants. It is a relatively slow grower, so consider this when mixing it with other carpeting species that may smother it over the longer term. Because it does well in lower lighting levels, it is an ideal foreground plant for beginners with no CO2 injection, although to get a dense carpet effect, CO2 injection is recommended. Lilaeopsis brasiliensis is a relatively slow grower and can therefore be prone to algae, especially in aquariums with stronger lighting. It will benefit from a nutrient-rich substrate such as Tropica aquarium soil or Tropica substrate, and nutrition capsules can also be used to add further nutrients. Feed its leaves regularly with a liquid fertiliser such as Tropica Premium or Specialised Nutrition. It can be thinned out by trimming the leaves with aquascaping scissors, and over the very long term the entire carpet can be removed with the healthiest plants prepared and replanted. The beautiful Lilaeopsis brasiliensis can make the perfect long-term foreground carpeting plant for any size aquarium. Being easy to grow and with its fresh green lawn effect, it is sure to provide a welcome addition to any aquascape suitable for all levels of hobbyists.